My name is Dr. Michael Johnston, and I'm the Assistant Head of School here at Frankfurt International School. And we're here at Open House at FISW, and couldn't be more excited to welcome all of our elementary and primary students today. Upper school students have been on campus for 3 days, and it's been a year and a half since we've been able to have parents on campus, and we can't wait to show them the new buildings, the new rooms, the renovations, the teaching and learning spaces that their students are going to enjoy for years to come. This is FISW.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Majeski, the new principal here at FIS Wiesbaden. We are just incredibly thrilled to open our campus this morning to all of our new families, our returning families. After having been closed for a number of years due to the coronavirus, we're finally able to welcome families back on campus to a lot of new. Right behind me here we have our brand new ACE Center, which will allow us to bring together the fine and performing arts in a way that we've never seen before. We've got parents touring our new library space. We have a wonderful parent bistro cafe where parents can come and join us in the morning, have a cup of coffee, meet with one another. It's just an incredible, incredible space. We've got some faculty and staff who are ready for new challenges, innovation, and to really bring FISW forward.
Hello, my name is Joya Morash. I'm the Associate Principal at FISW, and I'm so pleased to be here welcoming our parents, both new and returning, to our beautifully renovated campus here at FISW. We've met so many wonderful families and students who are so eager to be back on campus here at school and seeing all that we have to offer here. We're so delighted, and we cannot wait to begin.
For today's open house, our parents had the opportunity to come on campus, many for the very first time, meet their child's teacher, get a sense of the classroom, feel welcome so that when they start on Monday morning, they've got a lot of familiar faces and familiar locations. We also have tours going on today. So we've got many members of our faculty and staff giving tours of all the new spaces, really bringing the excitement to our campus and what's to come.